Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what to do if your key fob battery doesn't work and you can't get into your car. So I'm going to show you how to get into your 2017 Cadillac XT5 without your key fob battery working. So the first thing you need to do is pull out your manual key. To get that is in your key fob. You press this button and then you pull it out manually like that, and this is your manual key. And then we're going to have to open this part of the driver's side. This is the cover for the key lock behind right here. So I'm going to show you how to get it out. If you look under here on the driver's side door, there's a cover with the hole right here that you insert the manual key to pry it out to reveal the cylinder lock key in the behind this cover. So to get this open, you're going to have to pull the handle and then you're going to pry the bottom cover out like that and then pull out. And here's the cylinder lock key that you need to reveal to insert your manual key to unlock the car. So once the cylinder lock key is revealed, you can go ahead and insert it and turn it to your left to unlock the car. Now it depends on if your car has an alarm or not. When you open it, it's going to start alarming and start beeping. So I don't know if it's just my vehicle or it's all the vehicle on the XT5, but when you open this, you'll hear those alarms. So just be mindful of that. There you go. That is the alarm that is going off. So I just turned off the alarm by activating the vehicle and turning it on. So now I'm going to show you how to turn on the vehicle with your key fob battery being dead. When you get into your vehicle, go ahead and open the center console glove compartment. And there should be a slot right here where you put your key into. Alright, once your key fob is in the slot, go ahead and step on the brake and press the power button. And the vehicle is turned on. And that's how you turn on the vehicle with your key fob battery not working, and also how to unlock the vehicle manually. To put this cover back in, go ahead and pull the door handle and then you insert into the slot and then you're going to push it in. And just like that. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section. I'll see you next time.